He jumped over this, Mommy.
He did?
Yes, he jumped over it.
Cody! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy, oh boy! Oh, it's so much fun. In a big backyard. It's so much fun with Sadie.
See, he's gonna learn how to potty train probably fast because he's gonna smell Sadie out here.
Cody?
Just don't step on him.
Cody! Good boy!
Dana and Daniel were they were almost crying on the way home.
Who was?
Dana and Daniel, because he was crying. Cody was whimpering a little bit,
Yeah.
and they had tears. Dana and Daniel.
Cody!
Is he a purebred?
Yeah,
Oh,
Hi. He'll follow anyone.
he's very unusual color.
Cody! He's very... Cody!
Oh.
Come here, boy!
Just careful, Daniel. Don't step on him.
Come here, boy! Come here,
Sadie.
Cody! Cody, come on!
we're playing tag.
Good girl.
Cody said.
Good girl.
Cody! Come on,
There
good
we go.
boy! Let's go this way, Cody. Let's go. No.
Let him go. Wait. He's
It's
just
okay, let him
he's just
sniff it.
sniffing.
This way, Cody. Cody. Come on. Oh, good boy.
They're bonding.
Yeah, Sadie's a nice dog. I mean, it's not like she's gonna hurt him.
He's so cute. It's like a little miniature pink following me. Yeah, oh boy. Oh, he says hello. Come on, Cody. Cody. Hello. Cody. Hello, dear. Hello. Come on, Cody.
Good girl.
Come here, Cody. Come here, Cody. Come on, Cody.
Crunchy, also.
Yeah, good boy. Aww.
I like your little rock thing.
Oh, Sadie's trying to play. He's too small for her to play.
Cody.
Sadie's also
Good
over.
girl.
Cody.
Good
Cody.
girl.
Cody.
Great girl.
Cody. Cody. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, Cody. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, Cody. Come here, Cody. Come here, Cody. Ah!
He's gonna be so tired.
Oh my God, he's so playful.
Come on, Cody. Ah!
He's still like learning how to
gonna
run.
follow
Yes.
See
He's
how-
gonna follow us.
He's still learning. Oh my!
We don't want to see the dog
I think our kids are gonna lose a little bit of weight here.
Don't play Daniel.
Good girl, Sadie. Good girl. Good girl, Sadie.
Boy. Good boy.
Daniel, he couldn't follow you because you jumped up on that thing.
He's fast. Good boy. He's so fast. He says, I'm fast. I can catch a bunny. I will catch a bunny rabbit. I'm very fast. He says, I will go through the wigs. That's so good.
It's okay, Miss Bear.
Oh. Cody.
So he's gonna get so much attention between these two children.
Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. He says, boof, boof, boof. Cody. Get him, Cody.
Cody. Like a little puppy.
Come here, Cody. You like Cody? Cody, baby. He says, I go see Daddy. Cody, come here, boy. Cody, come on, you can make it. You go, boy. Come here, Cody. Come here, Cody.
He's just exploring a little bit.
Cody.
Oh,
Hey, what'd you get? Did he get
a
something?
leaf.
Okay.
Cody. Come here, Cody.
Pull it out of his mouth if he can.
Oh, come here, Cody.
He's got it.
So see if he's playing with that, that's okay.
I go.